Park City, Utah, Gwyneth Paltrow's lawyers, 76-year-old retired optometrist with 2016 ski collision on 7th day hearing on 7th day of defense. More experts to meet. More experts approach to complete their lawsuits. Paltrow's defense team called radiologist, neurologist, neuropsychologist and judicial psychologist, leaning on medical analysis rather than the expression of his friends or husband's friends or husband. They returned to the witness stand of Terry Sanderson, who opened it. The jury of 8 people is expected to negotiate the case on Thursday, after closing the arguments. Paltrow's team, who devoted most of the times of Paltrow to expert expression, was a gambling. During the dinner, the statement from Paltrow and Sanderson made a jury while Jargon tested his intense medical testimony. Experts called by side of Paltrow, brain scans. Sanderson's cognitive abilities began to decrease many years before accident with Paltrow showed that weekend of argument and memory loss after challenging allegations made by doctors connecting syndrome. Aging may cause this, radiologist Carl Black said, pointing to Sanderson's brain scan, showing the white or microvascular ischemic disease, because we're all getting worse to the extent we've been through or every other day. When jury members said that Paltrow thought that they were violated when collision took place at beginning, on Friday, some were on edge of their seats, gathered. After 3 days, Sanderson gave a completely different account. He said he came across him, and absolutely fly. Time restrictions challenged both sides during the 8-day hearing and forced challenging decisions about who they would call from long witness lists, to give the jury intentionally, and to give enough time to get into consideration. At beginning of his career, hearing takes place in city, which hosts Sundance Film Festival every year, where 1998, including Slings Gates, will emerge for premiere of film festival. Sanderson asked for more than $300,000, saying that the recklessness of Paltrow's recklessness on the hillside left him with jolting symptoms such as for broken ribs and confusion, memory loss, irritability, and he opposed lawyers' fees. For both parties, the amount of money in question is reduced compared to typical legal costs of a multi-year case, private safety detail, and expert witness crying trial. The second week of the trial clearly stated that lawyers avoided very little expense to do their lawsuits. Sanderson's lawyer told the jury last week for him, not cost, value. Many defense teams stated that they were paid more than US dollars to accompany expert witnesses, played multiple resolution animations. February 2016 depicting version events took place in a new run Utah's Deer.Valley resort. In the afternoon of Wednesday, Paltrow's lawyer Sanderson returned to stop to suspect the allegations of changing life. Instead of visiting his history or expert statements, they asked Sanderson's questions about luxury and adventure after the accident. A camel. Morocco introduced the evidence of Sanderson, who treated Machu Picchu in Peru, and showed a continental cycle around Europe with stops the Netherlands, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, France and Belgium.